Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here over in Mesa, Arizona right now. And gosh, if you could smell it, it smells amazing. We're at Big Nates Family BBQ here, and we're gonna go inside and check it out. Alright, so it's in a little industrial area. McKellips and Higley are the closest streets. So let's go inside and check it out. Alright, the menu, you guys can pause. Alright, some of the barbecue sauces here. Alright guys, so they have some in the tables out here. Got the Dr. Pepper, some of our sauces. And let's open it up. We went with the turkey. I usually do turkey and sausage, but mashed potato, baked beans. Let's see how good it is. Alright, initial results. Mashed potato, fantastic. Super cheesy. Light barbecue. Beans. Kind of tastes like Dr. Pepper beans. Sweet. Turkey is fantastic. Very light. Moist. And it just falls apart. I love their hottest salsa. And the sweet's really good too. I'm gonna try some of the other ones, see what they are. Alright guys, these are pretty much my three favorite ones. Arizona Sweet Heat is good. The Fuego de Guarango is delicious. It's not overly spicy, but it has some nice heat. Definitely enjoying this place. 5 out of 5. Alright guys, that place was delicious. And I definitely recommend it if you're in Mesa area. I'll probably be stopping back by here definitely several times if I'm in the area. Anyways, Nicole and I are headed to San Antonio for the weekend for my birthday. So give us a like and subscribe. And we got some foodie adventures coming from the great state of Texas. We'll see you guys later.